You know, the most important thing of my life has been that I wanted a change. Every time anybody tries to put an image on me, I have always jumped to some other image. I never wanted to be in one track, because I always think a change is the most important thing in anybody's life. Because if the person can change himself, he can do many different things. You know, when I started my career, मुझे सब बोलते थे यार इसको सिर्फ action ही आता है. He just knows action. But I just went and I started doing comedy. I started doing romantic films. I've done villain's role. I've done so many different kind of roles. I didn't care about it. I just went and did changes. So I just would like to say that changes is the most important thing. But on top of that, I would bring one thing, whether you believe it or not. But this I will share it with you guys, that my success lies a lot at my parents' feet. I'll tell you why. Whenever in the morning, whenever I go to work, I always touch my mother's feet and go ahead. Trust me, it has made so much difference in my career, in my life. I have been saved by so many people who are like a lot of negative energies I've been saved from. But that is the fact. Yes, obviously, the hard work is the most important thing. Change is another thing. But to have a positive aura around you, and that only your parents can bring you. Not even God. It's only your parents who will bring your positive aura around you and care for you. I don't believe in competing with anyone. I don't believe in competing. I don't like the word competition. I like to have my own track. Because I think there's so much work. I like to deconstruct myself. I like to deconstruct. When I construct myself completely, then I look at myself. I want to break it. I want to break this whole image. I want to start another construction and build another one. This is, I would say it is in my mindset. This is what I have followed. I never stick to one particular image. I was working, I did films for 50,000 rupees. Then the life after about 3 years, after that came a time when I started charging 2 lakh rupees a movie. Things went on. But for, I think, a long time, I would say for 10 years, I worked not more than about 10-12 lakh rupees a movie. But then, I worked hard for it. And it is not necessary, I mean, so you don't have to run behind money first. You have to run behind your product first. You have to run behind the quality first. And after that, things will change. You will realize it. And I think that I have done like that, so I cannot tell them anywhere in any other way. The strength lies in your family. The positiveness lies in your family. I work a lot. I work hell of a lot. But it is nothing. I divide my work. Whatever in my life I want to do, I do it with maths. I calculate it. Saturday, I work only 7 to 2. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm off. Saturday, 2 o'clock onwards, I don't work. Sunday, I don't work. Monday, I start working. I work 8 hours a day. But in that 8 hours, I am on the set. I don't move away from the set. I don't go sit in my vanity van. I tell my producer, my director, that I am here. You make me work. So basically what I'm trying to say is, all you have to do, you have to look at your family, you have to look at your priority. Your family is your first priority. This is what I believe, and I have always done it. And I would suggest you, your family is your first priority. Once the priority is set properly, once they also know, okay, my husband or my father or my brother will, after working, he will come and he will spend all his time here, perfectly fine. Nothing can go wrong with you guys. Nothing can go